Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss some questions based on the topic common names and chemical names. Let's get into the video.
Question number 1. What is the chemical name of caustic soda? Options: A. Sodium bicarbonate, B. Sodium hydroxide, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Magnesium hydroxide. Answer: D. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium bicarbonate is the chemical name of baking soda. Calcium carbonate is the chemical name of limestone. Magnesium hydroxide is the chemical name of milk of magnesia. Question number 2. What is called as quicksilver? Options: A. Mercury, B. Zinc, C. Copper, D. Silver. Answer: A. Mercury. Question number 3. What is the common name of potassium hydroxide? Options: A. Washing soda, B. Potash alum, C. Saltpeter, D. Caustic potash. Answer: B. Caustic potash. Washing soda is the common name of sodium carbonate decahydrate. Potash alum is the common name of potassium aluminium sulfate dodecahydrate. Saltpeter is the common name of potassium nitrate. Question number 4. Sulfuric acid is also called as options: A. Wintergreen oil, B. Rubbing alcohol, C. Aspirin, D. Oil of vitriol. Answer: D. Oil of vitriol. Wintergreen oil is also called as methyl salicylate. Rubbing alcohol is also called as isopropyl alcohol. Aspirin is also called as acetyl salicylic acid. Question number 5. Bleaching powder is the common name of options: A. Calcium hypochlorite, B. Silicon oxide, C. Magnesium oxide, D. Zinc sulfate. Answer: A. Calcium hypochlorite. Silicon oxide is commonly known as sand. Magnesium oxide is commonly known as magnesia. Zinc sulfate is commonly known as white vitriol. Question number 6. What is the chemical name of galena? Options: A. Mercuric sulfide, B. Lead 2 sulfide, C. Hydrochloric acid, D. Nitric acid. Answer: D. Lead 2 sulfide. Mercuric sulfide is commonly known as cinnabar. Hydrochloric acid is also known as muriatic acid. Nitric acid is also known as spirit of nitre. Question number 7. Calcium carbonate is the chemical name of options: A. Epsom salt, B. Vinegar, C. Chalk, D. Dolomite. Answer: C. Chalk or marble. Chemical name of Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. Chemical name of dolomite is calcium magnesium carbonate. Question number 8. What is the chemical name of calomel? Options: A. Silicon carbide, B. Mercurous chloride, C. Copper sulfate, D. Calcium oxide. Answer: B. Mercurous chloride. Silicon carbide is also known as carborundum. Copper sulfate is commonly known as blue vitriol. Calcium oxide is commonly known as quicklime. Question number 9. Solid carbon dioxide is commonly known as options: A. Lime, B. Quartz, C. Dry ice, D. Marsh gas. Answer: C. Dry ice. Calcium oxide is commonly known as lime. Silicon dioxide is commonly known as quartz. Methane is commonly known as marsh gas. Question number 10. Sodium chloride is also called options A. Chili saltpeter, B. Lunar caustic, C. Salt ammoniac, D. Table salt. Answer D. Table salt. Sodium nitrate is commonly known as chili saltpeter. Lunar caustic is the common name of silver nitrate. Salt ammoniac is a mineral composed of ammonium chloride. Question number 11. What is the chemical name of gypsum? Options A. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, B. Calcium sulfate dihydrate, C. Calcium hydroxide, D. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Answer B. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate is the chemical name of green vitriol. Calcium hydroxide is the chemical name of slaked lime. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate is the chemical name of plaster of Paris. Question number 12. What is propane 1,2,3 triol? Options A. Hydraulic, B. Heavy water, C. Glycerol, D. Hyposolution. Answer C. Glycerol. Question number 13. What is Rochelle salt? Options A. Sodium chloride, B. Ammonium ferrous sulfate hexahydrate, C. Potassium sodium tartrate, D. Sodium sulfate decahydrate. Answer C. Potassium sodium tartrate. Sodium chloride is rock salt. Ammonium ferrous sulfate hexahydrate is Morse salt. Sodium sulfate decahydrate is Glauber's salt. Question number 14. Cream of tartar is also called options A. Sodium nitrate, B. Potassium bitartrate, C. Solid carbon dioxide, D. Epsom salt. Answer B. Potassium bitartrate. Question number 15. What is the common name of carbonyl dichloride? Options A. Chloroform, B. Calomel, C. Freon, D. Phosgene. Answer D. Phosgene. Chloroform is the common name of trichloromethane. Calomel is the common name of mercurous chloride. Freon is the common name of dichlorodifluoromethane.
If you like this video, subscribe our channel for more and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.